Hey, what's going on YouTube? I know it's been a while since I made a video, guys, but today I'm making a video because I want to show you guys my 1099 form from one of the companies that I work with. You guys know I'm always making videos showing proof. And the reason why I do this because, when I came online, I really wanted to make money, guys. I got sick and tired of my job. I worked at a plywood company and I got tired of working all these hours, not having time freedom at all. So I came online just like you're doing right now, researching work from home, make money online opportunities. And I got involved with affiliate marketing, guys. And long story short, I'm here now showing you guys that it's possible. And one thing that I told myself, if this ever worked for me, I'm going to do everything in my willpower to get people to believe that this is real. Because let's face it, guys, it's hard to believe that you can make thousands and thousands of dollars online. You know, if you would have told me this shit, about 15 years ago, there's no way I would have believed it. I would have told you that you were crazy. I actually had people, telling me that I was crazy, you know. Even close friends told me that it wouldn't work. But I had that motivation, that desire to change my life, and that was the reason why. It's your motivation got to be more than money. Some people I ask some people that, what is your motivation? Some people tell me I want to make 500 a week. I want to make $1,000 a week. Your motivation should be more than money, guys. My motivation was time freedom. I wanted to not be, I didn't want to be clocking in for work every day. I wanted to set my own schedule. I wanted to enjoy life, work whenever I wanted to work. And that's why most people get into online marketing and affiliate marketing, because they want more time freedom. And guys, that's why I make proof videos all the time. It's not because I'm bragging and boasting about how much money I make. I want to make more, but that ain't my main goal. My main goal is to have time freedom, not go back to work a 9 to 5, and help people. Help people do the same thing that I've done. That's why I make these videos. But anyway, guys, let's show you this 1099 form. Now, I'm showing this 1099 form because I want you to believe that this is real and that you have to pay taxes on this money, guys. There's no way, if this was a scam, you wouldn't be having to pay Uncle Sam. You know what I'm saying? So if the government is allowing it to exist, that means it's real. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, I'm going to show you this. And this is from Motor Club of America. I haven't received my 1099 from Legendary Marketer yet, but whenever I get that one, I'm going to show you guys that one. But this is just from Motor Club of America, guys. And I want y'all to excuse the band-aid because I'm covering up my social security number, and I don't want no hackers out there, stealing my information. But guys, as you can see, if you can see right here, I made over six figures, $155,000 in 2017, in 1 year, just with Motor Club of America. And like I said, I'm affiliate for different opportunities, not just Motor Club of America. There are many companies that I've done, you know what I'm saying? But this is my biggest year by far, because with Motor Club of America, I made $155,000, but close to the end of 2017, I joined Legendary Marketer, and I probably made close to 100,000 or maybe 100,000. So in 2017 alone, guys, I probably made about close to $300,000 in one single year. 2017, 2016, I made about $166,000. So every year is getting bigger and bigger, guys, just because I'm staying with the program. I'm consistently working. This is only going to work for you if you work it. You got to put in the effort and make it happen. You can't just, work one day and think it's going to, think money is just going to appear in your account. It don't happen like that, guys. And I fault a lot of marketers out there for telling people that, just to make a quick buck. I see people on YouTube talking about, all you have to do is just push a button and you're going to automatically make money. That ain't how it works. You're going to have to put in work. I put in a lot of work to make this, guys. But the good thing about it is it's not near as bad as working a 9-to-5 job, because I can take off whenever I want to and I can still make money. I can make passive income in my sleep just by posting ads online, making simple videos like this right here, guys, sharing my success with you guys. That's all I do. And if you don't have any success to share with people, you can share somebody else's success. That's what I did when I first got started. I was just sharing my sponsor's success. My sponsor was making money, so I was telling people like, hey, look what my sponsor made. And I was able to get my own results by doing that. You see what I'm saying? But guys, that's all I got. Be on the lookout for another video. I'm going to show you my 1099 from Legendary. And hopefully you guys take action. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click that subscribe button below. And if you want to be a part of affiliate marketing, look in the description of this video and click on that website link. And I look forward to working with you. Peace.